Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will discuss the last topic in the unit number 5, that is a digital computer role in the transient stability. The play of the role of computer, that is digital computer in the transient stability, is a very much effectively is a very much useful to analyze effectively the transient stability in the complicated condition where the multi-machine system should be the considered that a problem that should be the phase while we have to calculate the traditional or the classical method, while we are using the classical method studies and the classical method power flow diagram. In that case, the numerical calculation is a very tedious one, and it's not feasible on the humanically. So for that case, the role of digital computer or study, but the computer programming is a very much effective and useful while identifying or while analyzing the transient stability. Okay, so in terms of the transient and the steady state stability, a very important portion of that plant feasibility study. Plant feasibility study, but the plant stability study or the plant operation studies. Okay, so and in terms of the stability studies are generally going from the new generation unit audition. Means what? These studies are generally provided in the voltage, current, power, speed, torque of the machine of the with different power system. Means while analyzing the power system stability of any power system, transient stability बोलो या फिर steady state stability बोलो, of the any power system, we have to analyze the different parameter of that concerned power system, like the voltage, current, power, speed, even the torque of that machine or multi-machine systems. Okay, as well as for the changes in the system voltage and the load, is not about the load torque and the power flow during the and immediately following the disturbances. The degree of the stability, which may be related with the capability of the power system to remain in the synchronization after during the system, and the disturbance is nothing but the important factor in planning the new facilities. As the digital computer role is nothing but a what, while analyzing the stability by using the classical method, we have to analyze all this parameter manually, while uh, but by using the digital computer or by using the study but the numerical analysis methods on the computer programming, we are able to analyze the transient stability or the steady state stability more effectively, so that we are planning so that we are analyze the power system effectively, and the operation of that power system should be directly improved in terms of the cost, also in terms of the feasibility and the efficiency also. So in order to provide the reliability required by the dependence on the continuous electrical service, it is necessary for the power system to design the stable to design the one of the automatic controlling system that so that it is useful to analyze where the what is the location of that fall and what is the severity of that fall and what action should be taken automatically. So in order to make that detailed and accurate stability analysis studies, the power system is generally treated as a multivariable control system. It consists of what? Is a power system कैसे consider किया? Multivariable control system, in which it consists of that synchronous machine, excitation system, generator, transformer, loads, and a connecting transmission line. And since not even one of the prototypes should be the made, same is not but that's we discuss in the network analyzer. That same network analyzer are generally used in the digital computer. So you network analysis is nothing but one of the method, one of the board is that in that board we have to implicate on the digital computer. So this is the one of the both application is the both concept is generally feasible or it is applicable for the transient state or the power system stability. So each of these elements that are represented on that by using by the suitable block diagram on the control system board or the study by the network analyzing board, or the multi-level control system, and it's a set of couples state different equation should be the written, and that different equation should be written, and the solution of this state equation should be analyzed by using the suitable numerical इंटीग्रेशन मेथड. मीन्स व्हाट? क्लासिकल मेथड से जो हो रहा था वही अपन अब क्या कर रहे हैं, वी हैव टू एप्लीकेट द एंड दैट इज बट द computational network by using the numerical integration method. Numerical integration method by using directly on the digital computer. Okay, so what are the different methods are there? Number one, modified Euler methods, even Rangekutta methods, Rangekutta fourth order methods, Rangekutta grill method, even the trapezoidal rule of the IS interaction integration. It is a little bit a different method that should be the also that should be implicate or that should be implicate on that manually also, and on the digital computer also. But digital computer we have to use and analyze for that multi machine system. So single machine system के लिए अपन उसको manually कर सकते हैं, but for that डिजिटल कंप्यूटर मशीन डिजिटल कंप्यूटर का रोल ट्रांजिएंट स्टेबिलिटी एनालिसिस में काफी ज्यादा है. इफ यू हैव टू एनालाइज द if you have to consider the multi machine system, and as we all know the whole the power system is nothing but connected in the interconnected grid. So interconnected grid में multi machine system is nothing but the one of the common phenomena is there, that whole the machine should be connected in the say at a same bus voltage at the same synchronous speed. So in that case, this digital computer programming is plays a very important role to analyze their study. Okay, so what are the different application of the digital computer in the transient stability? Number one, it is used to represent the machine completely, selectively, and all feature must be included or the excluded as per the requirement of the concerned transient stability. Second, machine saturation characteristic is represented by dividing it into the number of the linear sections. It should be divided into the linear section as compared with respect to their machine characteristics. Okay. Number third, write down the swing equation for the all machine can be the plotted on the digital computer. Swing equation is very important for the multi-machine system by considering the equal area criteria also and to analyze their transient stability. And the same program that is that program we have to written on the digital computer that can be used to study the transient stability by considering the different cases. Number one, considering the line fault with and without the auto reclosing. Second, loss of sudden loss of measure and the load of the generation in the system. Number third, switching operation, the frequency of the switching operation. This all the conditions should be taken into consideration while uh, while analyzing the transient stability on the digital computer. And the last, the numerical integration method that we have to just discuss, and the iterative procedure can be differential respectively are completely selective, and it is depend upon the what is the requirement of the concerned power system and what is the application of that. So this is nothing but the digital computer role of that in the role of digital computer in the transient stability. So here we end with the transient stability. In the next, we will discuss the another new concept with respect to the power system stability subject. Thank you so much.